Got a question here about changing the subject of an equation. We've got to make A the subject. And as you can see, A is in two places on the equation. So we've got to multiply this thing out fully, then group the A terms together. Everything's got to be on the same line, so I'm going to have to multiply both sides by n plus A. So therefore, P multiplied by n plus A, immediately in a bracket, is equal to n squared plus A. That's just a copy and paste of the original numerator. Right, now we've got to expand this bracket. The P multiplies both the n and the A, and we get Pn plus Pa is equal to n squared plus A. So everything with an A, I'm going to put on that side of the equation, and everything that isn't will go to the right-hand side. Okay, what's correct? N squared is correct, and PA is correct. This A has got to move sides by subtracting A from both sides, or you can think of it as throwing the A onto the opposite side, but it will change its sign as it leaps over the equal sign. So we get negative A on the left-hand side now. Equally, Pn is on the wrong side, and this has to be thrown onto the right-hand side, and in going again across the equal sign barrier, it changes sign to negative Pn. Again, we're subtracting Pn from both sides, and of course it disappears from this side and reappears as negative on this side. Right, let's do some rearranging and take A out as a combined factor of our first two terms. This will be P minus 1. Check it by multiplying out. This is AP or PA, and this is negative A. And as this is a multiply, the only way we can unweld a multiply is by dividing through both sides by P minus 1. So therefore I get A is equal to copy and paste this, n squared minus Pn, now divided by P minus 1. And that would be the answer.